Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use Edge Lightning for notification on Vivo. If you're using a Vivo phone and now you want to use Edge Lightning, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to go for settings. In settings just look for dynamic effects, select it, and here you will get the option of ambient light, edge light or screen light etc. You must have to select it, and here you have to enable this as I have already enabled. So now you can customize the schedule, but if you want to get the schedule, so you just have to disable the setting, and then here's the edge light for incoming calls. I have enabled it. Now go for light effect for incoming calls, and here you can easily customize the light effect. You can select effect or transparency or width. You can easily customize the width of the edge light. After that, if you want to enable for notifications, so here are the notifications, then select notifications apps. You must have to enable for all apps, and after that just go for light effect for notification and select the effect which you want to set as notifications light. So that's how you can easily use edge lightning or ambient lightning for notifications on Vivo. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.